say that cats are afraid of water. Look at that. Seriously. No, that is completely hilarious. Look at how he's drinking the water. Look at that. Kitty. This is so hilarious. I'm actually having tears in my eyes. Just look at it. Close up at the drips. Now that is completely hilarious. Doesn't mind the water getting on his head. All he does is shakes, and that's it. He's still in the tub. He's still in the tub. That is so hilarious. I know that. I can't believe this is so hilarious. So, guys, tell me what you think of this complete cuteness. Full of the lick. That makes great for a very hilarious video. A close up. I did say I was gonna get more of Mr. Cuty and doing videos of him as it is in my race starting right now. With some of the videos that you've just seen, let alone this one is all about him having fun in the tub. What next? Having fun with rubber duckies in the tub? LOL. Oh, you're hilarious. You can see droplets on his face from the water. Doesn't mind it. No, that's just completely stunning. You gotta get a completely wet hand, kitty. Gesundheit. Oh, that was an incredible sneeze. Did you hear that? Akapatsu. Bless you. Jeez, kitty. Got some water up a snaz. Jeez, man. Funny. Just look at him going into town. Hey, kitty. What? Are you getting? Are you? Let's see here. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's getting wet on the head. Hey you. He's getting wet on the head. Mr. Wethead. Hey kitty. He's watching the drips go down the drain. Oh, he's back at it again. He's actually trying to bite the water. That's completely hilarious. Let's look up close up at that. Isn't that tasty, kitty? Just look at that. Getting himself wet. He doesn't even mind it. No, that is completely hilarious. Huh? You enjoying that? You're enjoying that, kitty? Huh? Are you enjoying that? You? Hi. Your hair's completely wet, Mr. Cutey. You. Let's look at your face. Look at that. Wet in the face, too. Funny. He doesn't even mind it. Aww. So there you go right there. Moment with Mr. Cuty in the tub. You. Love you. Aww. And so there you go, right there. I can see Mr. Cuty's just right there. Wow, I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. He stayed in there for quite some time, drinking and biting water, getting water on his head and on his face, and did not even mind it. Wow. Usually cats freak out, but amazingly enough, he was in there for quite some time and drinking the water from the tap, with water falling on his head as well as on the sides of his face. Completely hilarious. Don't forget to like,